primary investigation indicates towards the gas leakage. Okay, so further investigation is in progress in that matter. But as of now, we see there is a hole in the pipeline, and the pipe is also quite old, so it could be due to leakage of gas.
So there was a gas leak at 5 in the morning. So I think it caused everything to explode inside the house. Because all the doors were closed, the bedroom I was sleeping in didn't have much impact. I was inside, I was sleeping inside. This was at 5 in the morning. No major injury. There was nothing on. It was just all the doors were closed. That's all.
So when I came in the morning, I think I'm the first one to go on top. And I have seen everything is finished out there. I don't know if they have insurance, no, but someone should help them for that. म्हाका हिंगच्या लोकलानूच फोन मारलो. आमी हिंगाच रावता न्हू. लोकलानूच फोन मारलो. येवन पळयत जाल्यार तो भुरग्याक कांय जावना. तो भुरगो आनी ते सुणे आहले. आनी तांकां दोगांयकूय कांय जावना.